first person come on, watch. I'm gonna go once the first person come on, that's it. Okay.
Alright, y'all, I'm live. The belt buckles is out right now. Hold on, wait. Belt buckles is out right now. You see it. It's complete. Look, I sold the golden ticket already. I got one left right now. I'm about to sell this one right now, you heard? The belt buckles is out right now. I'm hyped like it's Christmas right now, you heard? Look, boom, complete. The back, look at the back. Complete. The belt buckles is here. It's here. I'm hyped because I got a splash. I gotta celebrate. Yeah, you know I gotta celebrate. Boom, look, first of all, look, the belt buckles are $300. $300. They are here, come, run it up, turn it up, let's get it, yo. Let me know who's really gonna buy it. Remember the people that said they wanted to buy it? It's time, it's now, it's here, let's get it going. It's complete. Kings of God belt buckles is out. I got a splash for that. Champagne, Belt is out, the belt buckles is out. You already know what it is. Boom. Let me know. Belt buckles out, they're 300, let's do it. Belt buckles is here. They dropped. Come and get them. Let's get it. One more time. To the bottom. All right. Let's get it real. I'm hyped. Let's get real. I can chill now, hold on. How you switch the camera? I can switch the camera now, I'm hype, I'm done. I popped the bottles. Yeah. I popped the bottles. Yo, nothing's up there. I popped the bottles because today's a celebration for me. Because the belt buckles is out. This is the gold. The gold one I sold so fast. When I first got it, the gold one I sold so fast, they 300. My man came in and bought it, you know. He pulled up, Abe, and he bought it. He said he wanted to get one. They came out. They here, they out here, they ready. They 300, look, got the back looking all clean. Look at that, done. Hermes status, yo, Gucci status. This is not gonna break. It's worth it, you heard? It's worth it. We out here, so let me know who really, all y'all people that say y'all was with it, y'all gonna buy it. I'm here, let's go. Kings of Gods is done, you heard? Look, the back is fire, complete, look, it's complete, look at that. Boom. That's what we needed. It clean, it fits right in any belt. Let's get it, you heard? This is all it's about right now. The gold one got sold, that's crazy. That fast. So I got one left for right now. My man's making more. Let's get it. I'm hyped like I want to wear one. I can't even wear one yet because I got to make more. I'm waiting to get me one to wear. I got to wear this one still, the second one, until he finished the other one. So let me know, y'all. Let me know who's really coming for one. Let's get it. They're 300. They're 300. Deuces. Whoa.